Hey everyone, today's video is on Maybelline New York Superstay up to 24 hours hybrid powder foundation. I have two of them right here. And I'm going to use 360 on my right, which will be your left, and 355 on my left, which will be your right. Keep watching so you can see which one you like the best, and in the comments let me know what you think about the product. I'm using two different brushes. This one is for my right, which is your left. This one is for my left, which will be your right. We will start with the Maybelline Superstay 360. I did not put any primer on. I'm just testing the product to see what it looks like. This is the 360 side. This side has nothing. Now I'm going to put on my left, your right, I'm going to put number 355. Clean brush. This is number 355. Looks like this. Very soft, and it applies really well. You don't have to dig too much with your brush. If you just tap your brush, okay, if you swipe, you will end up with all that excess, but it is really nice. It applies well, very light and airy. You don't feel it at all on your face. Now on this side, which is my right side, I have number 360. This is it right here. Take a look. And again, it feels nice. Tell me which side you think Tell me which side you think is the best side. 355, 360, Maybelline Hybrid 24-hour wear powder foundation. It feels light and airy. It's like skin. It feels, my first impression feels like skin. Comes with a sponge and the mirror. It looks different in the pan than when you put it on your face. I like both of them. I think I can wear 355 when it's not so hot, and I can wear 360 all summer long. I think it will work either way. The more sun in Florida I get, the more this one will work. But again, this is my first impression and I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think. 355, 360. Again, go out and live a fabulous day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.